Getting a Cybertruck registered in Europe involves a lot of paperwork and eye-watering prices. In order to use the truck in Europe, there's overseas shipping involved, hardware modifications and a grey spare parts market to contend with. One of the biggest problems that prevented the Cybertruck from being road legal was the rear lights, which are red instead of amber. The turn indicators needs to be changed to a European amber turn signal. As for those sharp edges, the fix was easier than we expected. The car has modifications for sharp edges in the form of rubber edge guards that could come into contact with pedestrians at the front and back. When it comes to spare parts and servicing, every part needs to be purchased in US and then shipped to Europe. In order to get EU certified, an expert needs to go over the entire truck, check for non-compliance, measure it and weigh it at an accredited facility. The dual-motor Tesla Cybertruck Foundation Series would cost a whopping $388,959 to get it registered in Europe after all modifications.